excited. See coconut? Can you see palm trees? Look at this Samoan guy, this island guy. Yeah, this is all new. Wow. Huh? Look at this guy. What do you think of Samoa?
Beautiful.
Huh? Beautiful, eh? Like me. How's Samoa? Oh my gosh. How's it? Nice? Yeah.
May leko.
What? Do you want to change it? Just getting some goodies. Tole. Tole ya? The biggest church. We're home. Oh my god. Mahal. O ay leaman. Ha? Oy. Hello. Hi. Oh. Yeah. Salad. Cheese. Yum. Enjoy. Coming. Oh my gosh, the sun on my face. How are you liking it here?
It's good, nice, quiet, beautiful.
Beautiful. There's so many palm trees, eh? So this is our home here in Samoa. So pretty, and the garden is just, damn, looks like there's a lot of work, but it's beautiful. So it's Sunday here in Samoa. We're just exploring outside of our house. And there's like cars on the street. It's so beautiful, man. That's a taxi. There's Kavi there. Come here. We're just exploring around. There's just so many trees, man. Like, look at this banana tree. Damn. I wish we had this in New Zealand, but unfortunately we don't. We only have the small bananas that not everyone has. Look at this guy here. Ooh. Yeah, it's not ready yet, but it's so good. I haven't touched one in ages. It's been 7 years since I haven't been back home. This is crazy. Wow. There's some more there. So they're baby bananas. I reckon they'll be ready by, let's say, 2 months? Or maybe that's too long. Maybe like a month. Damn, the trees that they have here. So freaking cool. Like, look at this one. Doesn't even have any branches. And, oh, I can see a papaya right there. But they're not ripe yet. Damn. And this guy's just taking photos of the house and the beautiful garden. I think this is, I remember people used to, well, not used to, they still use this for, I think, ula? Can't remember. Yeah, there's another banana there. Oh, no. Oh, that tree there, I thought it doesn't have any branches, but it actually do. It's just that someone cut them over there. Look at this one here. Look at this one here. We've got nice plants, eh? Different types of plants. This is called, this white tree here is called te wila. There's more flowers there. So every month, I think every month or every 2 weeks, someone comes here and mow the lawn. So that's a beautiful garden. So pretty. So this one here, I think this is avocado. This is avocado oil. Avocado. But it's not avocado season yet.
So it's like the land is like a rocky. Huh?
Yeah, it is. It is quite rocky everywhere. It's quite rocky.
What's that for?
I don't know. Probably. Oh, the gate. The fence. There's the back of the house.
This one is going to back.
Yeah, so it goes all the way at the back. This is a mango tree, but it's not mango season yet. Shut. We came on a different time. This is Fale. I'll take a photo of you in a minute. Wait, come. I'll take a photo of you. Come. That's Fale o. It's called Fale o. And every single family has that. It's like a signature house, like it's traditional house. Do you know cocoa tree?
Like
where coffee and oh no, not coffee. Where chocolate is made. They're made of cocoa. Cocoa. Look at these. They're ripe cocos.
So this like this old house you had.
Yeah.
This one, huh?
Yeah. This is so every single family here in Samoa they have to have this outside kitchen for umu. Yeah. So yeah, it's nice. So this is I forgot what it's called in Samoa, but umukuka. Yeah.
No family leave at the back.
There's other families. So you know, can you see those rocks? Rocks over there.
Yeah. There's a divider.
It just divides the lands. Yeah. Just cocoa. Come.
No, it's green. Yeah.
This is breadfruit. Breadfruit. It's just like taro, yam. Breadfruit. You know those? Can you see the round fruit over there? We eat it like taro. We eat our food with that. There. Can you see that over there? There. The round breadfruit.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. So that's breadfruit.
I thought it's a jackfruit.
No, breadfruit. It's just like jackfruit, but it's not jackfruit. Yeah. So this cocoa here. Can you come hold the camera? Just film me. So this cocoa here.
Hey, you can watch it too. Yeah, I can see there. Yeah.
Wait, I'll show you how to eat it.
No.
They're sweet and they're really nice. So I'll show you how to eat it in a minute. Come. Got the doggies. Hey doggies. Ako nga si uma. Online ko. Come. So when it's really sunny and it's really hot and gets really hot in the house, like everyone just comes out here under a tree and just chill there. Get some fresh air. Cool up. Look, avocado. There's so many avocado trees, but it's just not avocado season. Mango. Yeah. They're nice. Beautiful. Yum. So it's Sunday today and we're making chicken with soy sauce and potatoes. This guy's loving new coconut. There you go, Your Highness.
Thank you.
Just put it on the glass after.
You can even eat this one as well, you know?
Yeah, you can eat that one. So drink it, and then we'll. I'll get you a spoon later on. You can eat it, and I'll crack it for you later. Nice. Yes. Just yeah, mine's from root beer. We'll go out of coke, but the coconut cream is from the brown coconut. Then we husk it, and it's harder than this. This is softer. Just trying to get this out like that. It's not too hard. Yeah, seki. Huh? Seki. Soli. Bye. And me I. Seki. Huh? Qua ai lea o. Qua ku o meloko. Acha.
Oh, you lost it.
Why? Oh, the black. I was actually after the black.
You lost it.
Gosh.
Yeah, you lost it. Okay, put it again and everything.
Alright, so it's Sunday afternoon and we're just gonna play pool. What do you call this? Is it pool?
Snooker. Yeah.
Snooker?
Pool, snooker,
Yeah.
snooker.
I mean, it's the same thing, right? So we're just gonna give this a go. We don't
Are you
really...
gonna win this one time?
Yeah, of course. We don't really play this much.
I used to play for
Yeah. Yeah, I mean, usually on a Sunday, guys, people don't do anything. They just chillax. Hard luck, mate. Hard luck.
So it's a $50 bet.
No.
said
That
you-
was not a part of that. What are you going for, Amir? ¿Quieres algo filia? Time to feed the chickens. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Go, 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 go. Bringing models there. Yeah, more. Go, 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 go. More models.
Shadam lo fa'afia ula Oe male langa langa tauai fa'afano ai umaula o tangata Wapeye tasilava o le sifi o le lalo langina o lau susunga Ayala ialo male A o fea fo ilo fia sifi Le la ua e maalili talua ilo tau talai titi O Amerika ua faasa ua talua ilava oe lau langa langa maa.
Wow, man look. Yeah, solo fai kakolo. Hả? Tại aka ole lokua mako. Hả?
Day 3.
Good morning. It's actually day 3 here in Samoa. Man, it's so beautiful. Like, so today's plan, we're just gonna go town, which is up here. So we're just gonna go town to get some grocery shopping done, and then we can, let me just open this. So we're just gonna go get some grocery shopping done from town, and then we'll probably go look for like a cafe to have breakfast in, and then chill around the market. I mean, I haven't been to the market in like ages, so I'm excited to see the changes and how much town is developed. I know it has developed so much over the years, but yeah, I'm just so happy to be here, and I'll take you along with us to town and to have that experience together. So yeah. And we've got my dog here. Their name is Lady. Morning, ladies. Morning, ladies. How was your sleep? Hey? So happy. We'll feed you when we come back, because we don't have any food at the moment. For the cars there. That's his life. Before he goes to work, we have to give him money for the day. But he doesn't get paid. Waste of money.
It's voluntary work, eh?
Voluntary work.
Halo.
Good. Baile ka balik. Baik ka balik lah Bea. Faham malu? Pak. Baik ka balik. Pak. He works here. That's why he works. Traffic law, my Lola. There's another lady today. just going to explore up here. Yeah. Just exploring the city and we saw Louis Vuitton. Wow, amazing. You like it?
No.
Yeah.
Hi, Gabi.
How are you?
How are you? I'm good, thanks. Oh, good to see you. Say hi to the old man. Gabi. Sit down. Come on, let's go. Let's go. Let's go.
Huh?
My mom and dad and I have one elder sister. She's married.
Mommy. Oh, nice. It's like Kia drive-through.
Il est facilement.
Mm.
Ini ay inki ay.
Ave, ela ook al Chanel.
Gabi.
Come this way.
Yeah, and you. Hey. Teka lang ikaw.
No.
The right side.
The next day.
Kopi.
Yeah, fast TV wonder.
Kopi lang may kavali. Ano lang ko? Maya kavali si. Kapungi. Kapungi niya.
What? Cheers. Right. Oh, the steep hill in there.
You got the body of a goddess. This is face is the finest. You're Maria, your highness. Make you plus, let be minus. Get contact to your body like a virus. Come on, dark, you my brightness. Many girls for my DM, but only you be my Venus. Samantha, yeah, Samantha. Show you knock me just sky, Samantha. Samantha, yeah, Samantha. I'm ready to die for your mother. Samantha, oh, Samantha. I be the bread, be my butter. Samantha, yeah, Samantha. My head, they hot for me water. I invest my love in you. Dedicated all my time for you. I broke up with Amaka just because of you. I need her all because of you. Cause you got me falling for you. For your love I can't tell fool. Baby, yeah, you know it's true. Now you make my dreams come true. So me say, you got the body of a goddess. This the face is the finest. You're Maria,
You're a liar.
No, that's
It's good?
see your body like a virus.
Yeah, that's... In case we call for money, then you'll know it's for love. Yeah. Love it.
No, I don't take shit. I got no love for the fakeness. If you wanna play
treatment. Gonna learn the consequence of being incompetent. Mental health is confidence, dreams and some modestness. I'm not here to save the day, that's for you to take away. I could play a million mind games, but instead I say something not illogical, something that is topical. Rub it on and watch it go, make yourself unstoppable. Dreams are irresponsible, but they're always possible. If you just believe, you will be so remarkable. Thoughts in my head, a collage and they spread. I'll be great one day, going off of my meds. No, I'm not giving up, no, I'm not giving in. I will make it to the top, taking off in the wind. I gotta make it, I'm saving every day to taste it. I'm patient, but my mind, it can hardly take it. I'm chasing a dream that I've had for several ages. A vacant, modern kingdom for the taking. Now that I've been through hell, I never got anywhere.